Hey besties, welcome to the vlog. Just finished up at yoga, sitting in the driveway and trying to convince myself to, get up and go inside. I am gonna shower and then I am gonna go shopping, even though I said that I wasn't, because I think college move-in is like next week and back to school is like this week, and I didn't want to be seen in that area because it's crazy. But there's a couple things that I want from Target and Walmart doesn't have them. I found the Alani like red and regular witch's brew, which is fantastic. Love witch's brew. But the Bloom has a version of like the caramel apple, and I really want to try that. Of course, Walmart didn't have that. So I decided, why not just do 2 classes? So now I'm 2 yoga classes in and need to shower, so we're gonna shower. $40 at the gas station later. I remember my good old high school days when gas was $2 a gallon or less. Got the coffee, the usual. I thought about getting pumpkin, but I decided not. I wanted butter pecan and 3 little pumpkin munchkins. So I cut the spines off of these when I was at my parents' house, and it was sitting on the seat and it fell like that, just perfectly. And it's loose, right? It's not hole punched yet. So, hello, I'm lucky. I forgot my frost buddy. My coffee's gonna melt. Happy hunting at Ross. Is this like the UGG dupe of a Birkenstock? Interesting. I was really intrigued with these, but maybe if it was like black, and I feel like these probably just pop off anyways, but they're cute. I thought I liked these, but then I pulled them out and I was like, oh, maybe I don't like these. I thought about this one because I really don't have anything brown. I'm not a neutral girly, and I was like, oh, that's kind of cute. It's got Nike in the back. But then I was like, long sleeves. Am I actually going to wear it? Probably not. But with a vest, it'd be cute. I feel like I only have long sleeves that are white. So, okay, I'm going to hold on to it. We'll see. This isn't my full-time job because I'm quite terrible at it. Of course, my phone is almost dead. August 22nd, and we've got Halloween costumes. I mean, they're adorable. An actual Awala, TJ Maxx, how interesting. And now we're at Michael's. We don't actually need anything. I just thought maybe I'd stop by and see if I felt inspired by something, because we're gonna have to start planning for the first day of school, I'm not someone who decorates their house for holidays, but if I was, I would probably be getting one of these. So $7.99, $8.99 is $2.70, so it's probably about $2 a piece. So I'm gonna get these because I have 3 students that would use that, so perfect for the end of the year. Getting a little 7 brew before we go to Target. I actually found a lot of things that I didn't think I was gonna find. I got those 2 popsicle things. I'll throw them in my bin for the end of the school year. I found this pillow, and I love that it's like actually, what is that word? It's like actually embroidered. It's not picture of embroidery. You know what I'm talking about? Then this little patch, it says, teach them kindness. I haven't quite decided what I'm gonna put it on, but I'll put it on something. And then for meet the teacher, I'm doing a little table for Girls on the Run, and I have a little picture of us, so I'm going to put that in here and put it on my little table. I don't have any new students coming this year that aren't in a family that I've already taught, so I'm not really anticipating having to sit in my room for the 3 hours of meet the teacher, because they don't really need to meet me. Like, some of these kids, I've had them for 5 years, so there's no meeting that has to happen. So I'm gonna try to recruit all my Girls on the Run girls from in the gym. I got my usual cherry chai, pump of white mocha, and then cold foam on top. I grabbed a new one of these. I'm gonna use it for the cat food dishes. I like an obvious sponge, so I'm not using it on like people food dishes. I remember last year it took me weeks of looking to find one of these. Do I get it in pink too? I mean, it's only $1. I have a giant diamond art that I'm not done with. And then I have another one that I bought for Christmas last year that I didn't use. But like, I love this cake print with the little cherries on it. Like, I want this tattooed on me. I love it so much. So we're getting it. Found it way in the back. Ate some lunch and now to take a nap. It's the end of the season when you got lots of dead grass and there's Dan's project area. I don't know what he's doing there. Everyone, it is 2 days later. It is Monday. It is the first contract day of the 2026-2027 school year. And I have an announcement.
Everyone, I have an announcement.
I was getting dressed this morning over by my teacher area, and behind my headband display, the label maker. Maybe I just put it there, telling myself I was going to remember it was there. But in any case, there's plenty of other places where it belongs that is not behind my headband. So we found the label maker. When we get home, we'll make sure that we have the tape stuff for it. Because I think the last time I used it, I was either almost out of the tape stuff or the battery was dead. Today's the first contract day, and you think I'd get to go to the classroom. We do not even get to go to the classroom today. I'm planning on making an Instagram reel. Hello, Shelby. If I make the Instagram reel, I'll insert it here. 7:15, here we go. Free things. Breakfast.
Come on in. Let's get a find a seat. Leaders lead better. And when I talk about leaders, some of you may be thinking, well, the key is what are you going to do about those differences?
I'll do a waffle cone, 1 scoop with the chocolate chip cookie dough. Sped meeting done, academic chair meeting. Oops, I'm late. And now we can go home. Did we accomplish anything in the classroom? No. Did we learn some things? Yeah. On Saturday, I came home and I put my bags on the table and I didn't do anything with them. So here I am showing you what I got at Target so that I can take some of it today. I got that diamond art thing. I'm obsessed with this cake print. Obsessed. I have it several other places in my house. Espresso pods. That sponge for your little food dishes, because they don't eat everything and it gets nasty. I got 3 blooms, so let's hope that I like this flavor. I got some dried mango, just because it sounded good. Some sour rainbow strips, and I got this pink thingy. And I think I got like toilet paper and something else like really boring that's not over here. And then I also did not show you my TJ Maxx haul, which a grand total of 3 things. We've got a new little earring stack. I'll probably switch these ones out on Meet the Teacher. This exfoliating facial scrub. I'm pretty sure this is like the dupe of the Peter Thomas Ross, which I really like, but that one's like $50. Lunch money! About 6 o'clock at the Walmart. Gonna go get some labels from my label maker. I came home after PD today and basically just took a nap because I was just so tired. Probably all that sitting around for 9 hours. 2 packs of labels. Success. Tomorrow we can label what we want. We're ending this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one.